Hello folks, hope you're all fine, happy. In this video I'm working on a website, and specifically I'm going to create a coming soon page. This is a website from a client and I'm designing this. So now when someone browses the website, this page will come up. And the default WordPress post and this page, which is not really nice. What I'm going to do, I have already installed Elementor Pro. Now I can create a maintenance page or a coming soon page that with a timer or with specific details. Okay, go to your website backend, Elementor, and go to tools. In here we have a tab called maintenance mode. Okay, choose mode, you just select coming soon, and in here you need to create a template for that. Okay, save changes, let's create a template. Click here, create template. Give a title, coming soon, and publish. Edit with Elementor. Okay, here you can create your own template for the coming soon page. Firstly, you need to go to settings, and in here select the Elementor canvas. Elementor canvas is a template which will hide your footer and header. Alright, so I click here to add a template. There are a lot of templates here. I'm searching for coming soon. I think this one is okay. Let me see. Alright, this one is okay. Click eject. Okay, you can just type something here. Get ready for the biggest marketing launch of the year, combining innovation as well as design. Innovation as well as this company which I'm designing director is marketing and consultancy. I'm not sure about the spelling. Yeah, that is okay. And what do we have here? We have the social media links. Let me see if I have a timer. Add here timer count. Okay, I can add it somewhere here. Alright, today the date is 22nd, and I'm gonna finish it within a few days. And this is a timer. I think I should delete this one, I don't need it. Delete. Great, in here you can type the email address. You can bring some changes here. Inline, block, no, block is okay. Show app as custom level. Let's go to style. The background color, I think it should be a little bit dark and transparent. It might be okay. That's okay. And what else? We can give a border. No need for the border. Margin, padding, motion effect. Let me see what do we have here. Yeah, that is okay. Now you need to go to backend again, refresh, and select the template that we just created. Save changes. Alright, now let's go to front end and see the coming soon page. This is because we have the cache files. Just delete the cache files from your browser or open in a new tab, incognito mode. And here you have the coming soon. Okay, thank you very much. Make sure you subscribe. Every now and then I'm uploading tech tutorials, web development tutorials, e-commerce, networking, specifically cloud and AWS tutorials. And if this video could help you, just thumbs up and comment below if there is any issue. Thank you. Have a good time.